in this singular instance of Pakistan and India working together, we could have hope that maybe one day we could improve relations between these two countries that have such a long-standing, historic, really ancient history with each other. So for Vaisakhi, we all wish and hope for good things in the future, that something in the new year will celebrate new things and happy things for the future. So to my friends here in Pakistan, shukriya. We're very grateful to you. And to our friends on the other side of the border, Dhonyavat. We hope that one day we will have a much better relationship. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Would you like to say anything, Congressman?
I'd like to be affiliated with all the comments of my colleague, the Honorable Tom Swazi. Thank you so much for your time, hospitality, your kindness, for the special efforts that you've put here. Our visit here has been remarkable. I want to thank you and so forth. I'd like to also wish you a happy new year on this day. And this is also our holy season, having celebrated Passover yesterday and going into our Easter season. May the good Lord from above bless us all, and continued peace and the further unity and fostering of our friendship and love together.
Thank you.
Inshallah.